Kairvi Rathod, working as a science teacher in Rathod International School. Today, we are going to learn about the grade 5, chapter number 1, that is plant and animal. As we all know that plants and animals both are the living things. They have many similarities in a way. But today, we are going to discuss about the difference between them. First difference is food. We all know that plants produce their own food through photosynthesis process. That's why we call it as a producer. Whereas animal called as a consumer, because they are directly or indirectly dependent on the other things. First is herbivorous animals. Animals, those eating directly plants as a food. Say for example, cow. Second is carnivorous animal. Carnivorous animals are those animals who eat flesh of other animals. Say for example, lion or a tiger. And third is omnivorous animals. So these animals eat both, that is plant and flesh of other animals. Say for example, bear or a crow. Next difference is growth. Plant grow in three ways. First is annual plant. Annual plant means a plant whose lifespan is for 1 year. Say for example, pea plant. Second is biennial plant. Plant whose lifespan is for 2 years. Say for example, beetroot. And third, plant those are having lifespan more than 2 years. That is 3, 10, 20 or more, maybe 15 years. We call this plant as a perennial plant. Say for example, neem tree. As far as animal is considered, animal have a specific period of a lifespan. Say for example, a dog. Puppy become a dog. They grow in a size, but they never grow in a size like an elephant. They have a limit, grow in a limit. Next difference is movement. We all know that plant don't move, but parts of a plant can move. First is root. Root can move under the soil in search of a water, whereas shoot move above the soil in search of air and sunlight. On the side of an animal can move in search of a food, water and shelter. They also move to protect themselves from their enemies. Next difference is response. Plant response. Say for example, a touch me not plant. Touch me not plant, the leaves of this plant will close if we touch it. And on the part of animals, they have different sense organs like ears, nose, skins, smell, etc. Next difference is reproduce. Plant can be reproduced in a three ways. First, through seeds. Mostly plant reproduce through seeds. Say for example, tomato, papaya, etc. Next, through root. Plant can also be produced through root. Say for example, potato, carrot, radish, etc. Third is through stem. Plant also can be reproduced through stem. Say for example, rose or a mint. On the side of an animal, we can bifurcate into two. First is oviparous animals, those animals who are giving their eggs, laying their eggs. And second, viviparous animals, those animals are directly give birth to their young ones. Say for example, we as a human being or a cow. Next difference is breathing. Plant breathe through their tiny holes in their leaves. We call it as a stomata. And animals can breathe through different ways. Living on the land, they are breathing through their nose. Whereas aquatic animals, like a fish, breathe through their gills, and insects breathe through their spiracles. That's it for the chapter number 1. If you like it, share and comment on it.